In this video from 2013, you see East Palm Beach County Sheriff Sergeant shoot and paralyze Dontrell Stephens. New at 11, a surprising move by a judge. Marshals seized his car, his clothes, and furniture to begin paying off the excessive force verdict awarded to Stephens. Michelle Casada breaks down this decision tonight and the message an officer advocate says this is sending to law enforcement. Michelle.
Jay, Dontrell Stephens is currently in rehabilitation. He's been confined to a wheelchair since the 2013 shooting. His medical expenses, he says, have put him in poverty. So now a federal judge has approved the seizure of PBSO Sergeant Adam Lynn's property to help pay for Stephens' medical expenses and the treatment and care he'll undergo for the rest of his life.
Some are calling it an unusual move by a federal judge, granting a request by Dontrell Stephens' attorney, Jack Scarola, to start making the Palm Beach County Sheriff Sergeant who shot and paralyzed his client pay for his expenses.
This case cries out for compassion.
Former FBI Special Agent Stuart Kaplan says this move by a federal judge speaks to the need to start getting money to Stephens.
The judge has been satisfied and realizes the urgency of it is more important to try to get this young man some money so that he can offset some of these, I can only imagine what his medical bills are to date.
Stephens was shot by PBSO Sergeant Adam Lynn in 2013 after he was stopped for riding his bicycle into traffic. He was awarded $22.4 million in a civil suit, but since PBSO is a government entity, any damages over $200,000 have to be approved by the state legislature. PBSO is appealing the jury verdict. Stephens' attorney found another way to begin collecting the minimum amount in the suit by seizing and auctioning off property from the sergeant also named in the suit.
Is this going to start a precedent now?
President of the Palm Beach County Police Benevolent Association, John Kazanjian, reiterates that Sergeant Lynn was never criminally charged or punished for any wrongdoing by PBSO. He says this is sending a shocking message to law enforcement officers.
Now, law enforcement officers are going to be watching over their back for any type of civil suits, and you're going to lose your property.
Kazanjian also questions what happens to Sergeant Lynn's property if the verdict is overturned. The auction process will start in a few weeks. An appeals hearing is also scheduled for March. Now, we did reach out to Sergeant Lynn's attorney, and we have been told that they are not commenting at this time. Reporting live from West Palm Beach, Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.